Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take a hike in the Pisgah Forest, and it took us on this crazy road. As you could see, I showed some of the road before from the dash cam, but we did a little pulled off here, a little pull off on one of the curves just to see, because we started getting into some fog. Well, it's really not fog, because as you can see, we're actually up in the clouds right now. Clouds are pretty low, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on this crazy twisty road. So now we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and as you can see, we are definitely up in the clouds. It's pretty crazy.
Tunnel. Alright, now this one is called Buck Spring Tunnel.
Oh my god, the clouds are in the tunnel.
And the clouds are pretty much in the tunnel. Crazy.
Oh my gosh. That is nuts. So this is the most dense fog I think I've ever driven in. There is a car, I don't know, 40-50 feet away. You can barely see the brake lights when he hits it, but it gets so dense that the car just disappears sometimes, like right now.
Yeah.
I'm sure this is really beautiful on a clear day, but right now, Blue Ridge Parkway is kind of posed. Alright, so we made it up here, and of course, we're still in the fog because the trails we want to go on are near the top of the mountain. So I think we're going to hit the Sam Knob Trail. We saw some people walking down off of it, but we're not going to see any views today, so it's kind of a short hike. So we'll hike it, see how it goes, and maybe we'll hit another trail. There's a couple of them up here. Let's go. Yeah, continuing with our theme of us and spider webs on trails. Like from Craig and I. Connie in our fashionable green towel. Yeah, we made it to the top of Sam Knob. Yeah. It's probably a really pretty view. Probably really pretty when we're not in the clouds. Yep. But this is the giant rock we made it to. So we came out in this little rock to eat our snack, and of course Connie met one of her favorite friends.
Leave it to me.
The snakes. Yeah. I'm the one that finds the spiders because I hate spiders, and Connie finds all the snakes. He's just out here relaxing on the rock, trying to get warm, I guess. Sure you don't want to come back down here, babe?
No.
Wish I would have had the camera running for the reaction, but all right, we'll leave you alone there, little buddy. All right, so we did Sam Knob Trail. Very cloudy. Not much of a view. We got to see the snake. I know Connie was excited about seeing the snake.
Wildflowers, lots of highlighted spider webs with the mist. That was kind of cool.
But we drove all the way up here in the clouds, so we weren't gonna not hike.
Yeah, it was a great hike as far as a good moderate hike. Lots of rocks. Went through woods.
Yep.
There's a nice meadow.
Probably would have been prettier.
Lots of different terrain.
Yep.
So, yeah.
All right. See you guys next time.